My name is Adena Bauer, and I'm a computer science and business major at USC. I came into USC as a business major, and I quickly realized that I wasn't really interested in business. I kind of looked to my friends, seeing what they were doing, and a lot of them were in engineering, and they kind of just recommended one day that I switch into computer science. So I did, without knowing anything about how to code, without ever really talking to a computer engineer at all. It was very hard at first. It seemed like the really good people were at a level that I couldn't attain. But now that I've been in it for a while, it's really comforting to know that I can go out and tackle a software project on my own. I'm formally involved in two organizations, SparkSC and HackSC. SparkSC is the student-driven hub for entrepreneurship and innovation at USC, and started out of a group of excited freshmen in this big room hacking together. We all started talking about how there wasn't an organization on campus that combined design and technology and business. There was only these siloed groups. We started with 1,000 pitches. We wanted students talking about their ideas. Then we moved into a career fair. We wanted LA to come out and see what talent USC had. And from there, it just grew into so many different initiatives about getting students making. HackSC is a hackathon, and it is a 48-hour event where students from USC primarily, but also all over the state of California, build software projects over the course of a weekend. HackSC is really all about giving you the tools to work on a challenge and leaving with 5 times more knowledge than what you came in with. I'm also the Google Student Ambassador for USC, and what that means is I try to get students interested and involved in Google's products, in Google's internships, and Google's activities all over the world. I try to spread enthusiasm for Google on campus, which isn't hard to do because it's such a great brand, and just making sure students are aware of the opportunities that Google can provide them. Doing all these different activities is definitely difficult. It takes a lot of time management, a lot of sacrifices on maybe some time sleeping or some time just going out to the movies, but it's certainly worth it to me because I view all of these activities as my social life. When I moved to USC, actually, my parents sold our house that we grew up in and started a business in Chicago. They just gave up their life, basically, to start up a company. And it's doing really well. But it's exciting because I get to see entrepreneurship here at USC, and I get to see entrepreneurship at home every day when my parents are talking about their business. Easily, my proudest accomplishment at USC has been founding SparkSC. The spirit behind SparkSC is just simply the word yes. And I think a lot of people go into college thinking, it's about the degree, it's about the learning, it's about what I get from my classes. And it is, to a certain extent, but I personally would way rather be on a team with someone who had less knowledge but more will than someone who was the opposite.